Hi everyone, I'm Miss Byrd and this is Freddie the Frog.
Hi kids!
Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun.
Oh yeah, it's good.
You can join us from A to Z or you could just hop right in. We're perfect for kindergarten and first graders. Today we're going to do your letter X, have your X worksheet out, and you can get your worksheets at our website, homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Byrd with a Y. So give us the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button.
Go!
And ring the bell. And we always like to start off with a song.
Yeah.
And we love Ziminy. It always just makes us feel happy and fun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go! Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, and indeed it's such a marvelous day.
Oh yay!
Plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z.
Oh yay!
Oh, that was wonderful. So nice to see all of you. Everybody break out your X worksheet. Thanks, Freddie.
Yeah.
So Freddie's just like you.
Hi kids!
He's a kid. He's learning the letters. He's learning how to write.
Yeah.
And he's learning the sounds. And he's a really good hard worker.
Yeah.
And this is a letter X. And you can see it looks like X marks the spot. And Freddie, do you see a picture?
Yeah.
He's pointing to it. So you'll see this picture of an X-ray. It looks like a person's chest and their ribs.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it looks serious, huh?
Yeah.
But it's a cartoon. So everybody gets out this sheet.
Yeah.
First thing we like to do is we like to make our letter lines. We start with a green grass bottom line, then the middle dotty line, and then the blue sky top line. So let's start at Freddie's favorite, the green grass bottom line.
Yeah.
Right here. On the count of 3, hold up your green crayon. 1, 2, 3, letter up. Good. Start here at the green arrow and go ahead and start on the green grass bottom line all the way across till you get to the other green arrow and lift. Oh my goodness, kids, you just did the green grass bottom line.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Oh, that was nice. Next, on the count of 3, hold up your red crayon. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up.
Oh, it's good.
And start right there. Kids, find your red arrow with Freddie.
Hi kids!
Right there. And go ahead and make a red dotty line for your red dot middle line. Go all the way across to the other red arrow. Lift. You did it. You made the red dot middle line. Now, Freddie, can you find the blue arrow?
Yeah.
Kids, find it with Freddie.
Got it.
That's it. Everybody with your blue crayon. 1, 2, 3, blue crayon up. Good. And then start where you're pointing with the blue arrow with Freddie. And go ahead and trace the blue sky top line all the way across. Lift. That's it. You did it. You did the green grass bottom line, the red dot middle line, and the blue sky top line. Now we get to do the house, starting with a little itty bitty baby house. You're going to make the side of the house, the roof, the side of the house, and the basement. But before we do that, I want you... Oh, Freddie, he wants to show you his house. Yes. He's been working on the house. Remember, he's working on these things just like you. Oh, yeah, I know it's hard. He's a hard-working dog. He's a hard-working dog. Freddie the Frog. Yeah. So look at this house. You can see the house and the basement. And what's inside of the house? This is the downstairs area. This is where you're cooking, and there's a table. If you go up the stairs, the little stairs, you're going to see the upstairs. And there's a bedroom here. There's a bedroom. This is upstairs, this whole top part of the letter house. And this is downstairs. And if you go downstairs, it's into the basement. Oh, you see boxes and somebody has a bike and working out. There's some dumbbells. Ooh, that looks heavy. Let's go back upstairs to back into the regular part of the house. This is downstairs and this is upstairs. Yeah. So kids, I want you to point it out with Freddie. Everybody, can you point to downstairs? That's it. That's the downstairs part of the letter house. Good. Can you point to upstairs? Yeah. That's it. Upstairs. Now point to the basement. Got it. Good. Kids, point with him. Everybody. On the count of 3, point to downstairs. 1, 2, 3. You got it. That's downstairs. Downstairs, upstairs, and basement. Yeah. Okay, Freddie, can we get back to our letter? Yeah. Okay. Oh, Freddie, he's a hard-working little Freddie for the frog. Got it. This is X. The letter X. And the name of the letter is X. The sound of X is X. X. It is the weirdest letter sound. X. That is fun, though. Yeah. So, Freddie and kids, can you find, this is the uppercase big letter X. Can you find X marks the spot with Freddie? Yeah. That's it. You've got it. Uh-huh. Okay, good. Now, we always like to start with a beautiful sunshine yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. And go ahead and start at X marks the spot that you just found with Freddie. And you're going to make a straight slant line, lift, and then over here on the blue sky top line, do the opposite direction. Kids, you just made an uppercase big letter X. X. I know that funny sound. X. X. This is the funniest sound. I know. So next I want to do the orange crayon. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Yeah. Start at X marks the spot that you had before right here. And then make an X going this way, a slant line, and a slant line going that way. You just made another X. Good job. It's good. Next, this is his favorite color, green. That's good. Yes, his favorite color, green. Frog, you know. And start here at X marks the spot. Go across. Isn't this fun? X marks the spot. We're making the X. There you go. You just made an uppercase big letter X. X. With the sound. X. It's a funny sound. But this is the uppercase big letter X. Yeah, Freddie's pointing out that it's both upstairs and downstairs. Freddie, is it in the basement? No, you're right. It's downstairs and upstairs. It's a big letter. But look at this is a little letter, lowercase X. X. Is it upstairs? No. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Yep. The little letter, lowercase X. X is only downstairs. Can you find X marks the spot for the lowercase X? You got it, kids. You've got it. Everybody hold up their yellow sunshine crayon. 1, 2, 3, crayon up. Good. And let's start at X marks the spot right there where you and Freddie pointed out. Yeah. And go slant line this way, lift. Slant line that way, lift. Put it down, good. Next, hold up an orange crayon. 1, 2, 3, orange crayon up. Good. Start at X marks the spot here, slant line this way, lift. Slant that way, lift. Kids, you just made a lowercase little letter X. X. I know, it's such a fun sound. And what other color do you think we're going to have next? Good. Yep, its favorite color, green. 1, 2, 3, green up. Good. And start at X marks the spot. Freddie, hold on. Okay, X marks the spot. Make the X this way and going that way. You just made a lowercase little letter X. Oh, this is very fun. Yeah. And so, oh my goodness. Now, kids, everybody, I want you to hold this up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hold it up.
Oh, so good, so good. Look at that. Good, 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 good. Oh, it's good, good, good. Hi, kids.
Ready? I love seeing you kids. This is so fun. And so we did the uppercase big letter X and lowercase little letter x. Let's talk about the name of the letter, which is X. But the sound of the letter is X. I know it's a funny sound. X. Freddie, do you think you could do that one? I don't know. Okay, let's give it a try. I'll say it first with you and the kids, and then you say it, okay?
Okay, you ready, kids?
Okay, ready? X. X.
X. X.
Well, that was pretty good. That was a good try. X. X.
X. X.
Oh, better. He's getting better, everybody. Keep going, you kids. Do a good job. Ready? X. X.
X. X.
Oh, he did it the best yet so far, Freddie. You're doing so good. Oh, he is. He's working. He's learning just like you kids.
Yeah.
And so tell me about, oh, he wants to point to pictures.
Yeah. Scary.
It's an X-ray.
I know.
So this is an X-ray. You could hear that it says its name. The word says the name X in it. X-ray. Oh, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
X-ray. And not many words begin with the letter X. Do you see any more, Freddie?
No.
But this one is kind of fun. X-ray.
X-ray.
Yeah, you got it, Freddie.
Ah, good.
Yeah. He's ready. He wants to do the letters now.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
Okay, ready? So let's go ahead and do all the letters up to X, X that we just did. Ready? Okay, ready? Here we start with A. A, A.
A. A.
B, B.
B. B.
C, K.
C. K.
Do it with Freddie, kids. D, D.
D. D.
This is a hard one. E, F.
E. A.
Oh, that was good. F, F.
F. F.
G, G.
G. G.
H, H.
H. H.
I, I.
I. I.
That was great. Where am I? J, J.
J. J.
K, K.
K. K.
L, L.
L. L.
Ah, that's good. It's coming. M, M.
M.
That was good. N, N.
N. N.
That was good. O, make a circle with your mouth. Ah.
O.
Ah, that was good. P, excuse me, P, P.
P. P.
Q, Q.
Q. Q.
That was good. You're doing so good. Oops. R, R.
R. R.
S, S.
S. S.
T, T.
T. T.
U,
U.
there you go. V, V.
V. V.
W, W.
W. W.
Good job. X, X.
X.
X. Oh, this is a fun one. Let's do this again. X, X.
X.
X. That's it. X, X.
X.
X. That's it. You, Freddie, you've got it. X, X.
X.
X. Oh, this is a fun one. I love that fun sound of X. No other vowel has it, like no other letter has that. Right, Freddie?
Yeah.
Oh, but you know what? It's time. We already did everything, and so nice seeing you. It's time to go, but I'll see you next time, and we'll do another letter. But we always like to end with a song. We always like to have some fun. Let's go! Ziminy-zee, yeah, ziminy-zee. So nice seeing you. A marvelous day. Oh, yay. See you next time. We